Big up everybody who check in. Remember for like, share, comment and subscribe. Now, Exp0se, the Integrity Commission, catch the Prime Minister. They must say them find the money and they account them. It seems like the Integrity Commission was indeed investigating the Prime Minister. And this is what them find. They make one here and they will continue the reasoning. Look and listen.
The report has apparently, and notice I'm choosing my words very, very carefully because me not see it. Me not have a copy. Yeah? Apparently the report has found a number of bank accounts where the Prime Minister's name is attached to. Bank accounts that apparently were not declared. And this is where we want to see the report. Why were they not declared? Why? Did he use them? Over what period of time did he use them? How much money in these accounts? Did he use them? To do what? And if he did, to do what? When were they discovered? And what did the Integrity Commission say to him? Yeah? About these accounts when he did not declare them. Is it a fact that the Integrity Commission watched these accounts for 2-3 years? And what took place with them? Is it a fact that the Integrity Commission went to great lengths to hire at considerable expense an international forensic investigator to check out the Prime Minister's financial affairs? And what did they find? What did they find? What did they find? Eh?
No, this not look good. From a recent scandal like what took place at the airport to know these statements. Now, we didn't know. So, a number of elected officials, people within the political sphere, was being investigated by the Integrity Commission for illicit enrichment and other things. People that always ask, who are the people where they have indeed found to be participating in illicit enrichment? Because only for names and only for speculation, Bina make. People Bina says he, she and the old lady involved in it. But now, Exp0se say, him a hear from the Integrity Commission say, look you know, them find the account them find what them believe is concrete proof. So this thing will take place. Now keep in mind the administration a gear up for a general election. Them say them are going to have by-elections first, but them are gear up towards a general election. As I said, a recent scandal that we do take place at the airport is a major disgrace from the administration. People have said that means if something like that can happen with so much people around and a person could not get medical assistance in time, what would happen if tragedy or some bigger event took place at the airport? they must say the airport unprepared. They must say with all the billions where they must say the country make off for tourism. Them now have good airport. No, they must say the money. Integrity Commissioner say you have people elected by people. Remember, members of parliament, elected officials, here when them elected officials are people vote for them. The money are taxpayer money, or when them borrow it, the taxpayer pay back, is the people's money. No, they must say elected officials I take the money for themselves. People always wonder how you have certain elected officials. Because even other elected officials wonder about some other elected officials. Okay, you have some people where, you have people within politics where them parents did rich. You have some other people who, if you hear them story, them parents were not rich. You know what I mean? Grassroots people work them way up, send them youth go to school, them youth, you know what I mean, do well in school and continue to further them education and find themselves, in politics. So them people never born rich. Some people say, how is it that we know how much elected officials make before the major increase so they get what they are? How is it that people go into politics not rich and then become rich? When elected officials have stated that they needed an increase because the amount of money being paid to them was not enough to cover basic costs of even just going to meetings outside of their parishes. And that's why them say them get an increase, because them couldn't cover the cost of even going to certain meetings when they're outside of their parishes. Keep in mind, most MP get van. When for free, but since everybody get the same van, we don't assume it's free. We don't assume that these are state vehicles being given to state officials. And maybe the ones, maybe every time them change them, we don't assume say other parliamentarians get the other ones. We don't know. It's a speculation. But the justification for the increase was that them never basically are making enough money. So how some elected officials get rich? Where they get the riches from? It's always been a topic of discussion. That is why the Integrity Commission was formed. So that elected officials who were being accused of these things could be investigated by a certain body. And then the people could say, no, this person's name is clear. They've never involved in nothing like that. And if somebody is indeed involved in it, them can say, well, you see, this is all fine. And it looked like this person involved in it. No. For them I say this, we are talking about the head of state. If I did some other elected officials, they are still bad. If it was some other elected officials, it would still be a disgrace, it would still be bad. But for a head of state, no, it's even worse. Tell me what you think. What do you think about the findings? No, some people say Hughes say it. And by later I'm going to say, boy, I never saw it go the wrong way. Or, you know what I mean? This is how it actually go. Or, we don't know. But he must say, me from who me from. One thing for sure though, the administration no need no more scandal at this time. And this now, some people that consider as a big scandal. We might say it not look good, but they go way past that. Even though when you talk about a general election, optics is everything. So when somebody say it not look good, the way our individuals are viewed, sometimes it affects how people decide to vote for certain people. You have to think about that. So the optics is everything. How people view, what people think about you is everything. Talk to me in the comment section. When I see this, I say, yo, wait. And this them really I say. You have some people who say, yo, they must speculate long time and they must think long time and that they may pray. You have some people who say, yo, it is simply not true. You have some people who not believe. Remember, both parties, both leaders have their supporters. But with the Integrity Commission making these statements, you know what that mean. Remember, them are the set of people who investigate and look into. So if they make certain statements, that means they make statements based on what? Findings. Remember, they make statements based on where them find out. And if this is what them I say, and remember, them now gonna even tell me all of what them find. Them gonna make the public aware, or make who them make the public aware know of, the part of them feel like them can make the public know about. But you have other things where them know about and where them find out, but them still not tell the people them yet. So, this alone, along with the other disgrace, I'm telling you something going on airport recently, you have other things where take place. People fed up about a whole heap of things. Tell me if you feel like, say, based on what you see, it look like the opposition is looking like the stronger party. Based on these findings and these new statements being made. Talk to me in the comment section if you're new to the channel, so pass through, subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and of course, put it on all. And this is how you know will be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here upon the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and boost a share. And tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them to check out the channel, check out the reasoning, and also join the discussion. The comment section up 24/7. It never lack yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there. And we can continue the reason via the comment section. Now until the reason again, my sentiments for you and yours are for to live, love, and prosper, and for to stay tuned.